Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll solve one more problem regarding compound financial instrument. The question is on the screen. A company took a loan free of interest. So they have taken a loan, but they did not pay any interest for that for rupees 5 lakh, repayable after 3 years. Okay. The effective market rate is 10%. Split the loan into financial liability and equity instrument. Show the reporting entry and calculate the interest for every year. So in this problem, you need to calculate the interest also. Now we have total net proceeds. So total the company is generating 5 lakh rupees loan that we have to split into financial liability as well as equity instrument. So this is what we need to do. First, let us calculate the financial instrument. So financial liability, sorry. So in order to calculate financial liability, we will consider the effective market rate. First, we have to consider the effective market rate. First, let us find out the effective market rate. So here only the principal amount, so only the principal amount has to be paid because it is a free of interest. So after 3 years, a company will pay only the principal amount of 5 lakh rupees. It will not pay any kind of interest. ಸೊ 3 ವರ್ಷ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಎ ಕಂಪನಿ ಬರೀ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ 5 ಲಕ್ಷ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದೆಯೋ ಅದನ್ನಷ್ಟೇ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಹೊರತಾಗಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಪೇ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So the effective market rate, so it is 10%. So we need to calculate it for the third year. You will get 0.75. You should know by this time how to calculate this discounting factor. So first let us calculate the present value of all cash flow. Simply to say that it is only principal amount. In this problem it is only principal amount. What is the total principal amount? The total principal amount is 5 lakh rupees. The discounting factor we have found out, it is 0.75. So 5 lakh into 0.75 if I do, I will get 3,75,000. That is my financial liability. So ನನ್ನ financial liability ಬಂದು 3,75,000. Now the remaining amount will be equity instrument. So if I have to find out equity instrument, if I subtract financial liability 3,75,000 from 5 lakh, the remaining amount will be 1,25,000. That is my equity instrument. So total net proceeds is 5 lakh rupees. From that 5 lakh, 3,75,000 is a financial liability. That if I subtract, I will get the remaining amount, that is 1,25,000. That is my equity instrument. Okay. Now we need to pass the reporting entry. The reporting entry is very simple. If we take the loan, we will get money. So bank account debt are 5 lakh rupees. 2. Financial liability, that is we have found out 3,75,000. To equity instrument 1,25,000. But in the problem they have even asked us to calculate the interest for every year. So interest we need not pay, but still we have to calculate the interest because I have given the effective market rate. Using this effective market rate, we have to find out the interest. So 4 column you have to take. The first column is year 1, opening balance, interest and closing balance. First let me solve for year 1. So always take the opening balance of financial liability. So ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ opening balance ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು? Financial liability. So what is our financial liability? It is 3,75,000. In 10% is the effective market rate. So 3,75,000 into 10% would be 37,500. So add this 3,75,000 plus 37,500. You will get a closing balance, that is 4,12,500. Next, that will become the opening balance for the second year, 4,12,500. Take 10% of that, 4,12,500 into 10%. You will get 41,250. If you add it to the opening balance, you will get the closing balance of second year, that is 4,53,750. That will become the opening balance for the third year, 4,53,750. But here you should not do into 10% because what is the actual amount you are raising? By end of third year, you will pay 5 lakh rupees. So the difference between both 5 lakh minus 4,53,750, you will get 46,250. That will be your interest. So after 3 years you will pay 5 lakh rupees. The present value of that 5 lakh rupees is 3,75,000. So how you will show this in your books of accounts is what we have calculated. 3 ವರ್ಷ ಆದಮೇಲೆ 5 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಆ 5 ಲಕ್ಷದ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು? 3,75,000 ಕಂಡಿಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದೇ 3,75,000ನ ನಾವು ಬುಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ 3 ವರ್ಷ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಕೊಡೋದು 5 ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ನ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೂ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ನ ತೋರಿಸಿ 3,75,000ಇಂದ 5 ಲ್ಯಾಕಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್. Hope you have understood how to solve this problem. In my further videos, I'll come back with some more problems related to financial instruments.